Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use AI Anime Upscaler to upgrade anime images. So, let's get started. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and input ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already logged in into your AI Image Enlarger account to access its dynamic capabilities, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Scroll down to uncover the diverse offerings of AI Image Enlarger. Opt for AI Anime Upscaler to proceed. Step 4. Select the desired upscale percentage. Click Upload Images to choose the anime image for enhancement. You can also directly drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the magic. Use the eye icon to compare the original and enhanced anime images. Then, download the optimized image. With AI Image Enlarger, where innovation melds with imagination, enhancing your anime images through the enchantment or enhancement of artificial intelligence. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.